All right, we're gonna take a spin in something a little unique. This is a 1975 Cosworth Vega. Yeah, look at this thing, man. It's like a mini Trans Am or something.
It's like a, what do you call it? Dual overhead cam engine, huh?
Yep.
Fuel injection.
It's an English engine, Cosworth engine, fuel injected. Usually these cars were carbureted. This was double the price of a regular Vega in 1975. All of the Cosworths in 75 were black. They made 2,061 of them. And I think somebody said in the club there's only probably 350 known to exist left.
Yeah, I believe it, man. They're all Kias now.
Yeah, I know. And this has 4,343 miles on it.
Yeah.
4,343 miles. Original mileage, which is amazing. Car's been stored, has been kept running, no one serviced. It's 4-speed.
Drives well.
Doesn't it? It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's got a little raspy noise. They put a new muffler on it because the muffler had, just from condensation, it got a hole in it, so they put a new muffler on it. But it sounds good. Sounds like a little sports car.
Yeah.
Still got their window sticker in the window, which is amazing. Black on black, 4-speed. They didn't offer air conditioning, so you're out of luck if you wanted air.
Yep. I think it has like 100-something horsepower.
120.
120.
And a regular Vega had like 78 horsepower.
Yeah.
Woo! Lots of horsepower.
Yep.
Pretty cool though. They race these. They race these cars. Some guys trick them out. I mean, this is an original one. You probably shouldn't touch it, but
yeah,
you do what you want for as much as they are. You know, it's an inexpensive collectible car.
Yeah, it's an icon, definitely.
A lot of people took these things, stuck V8s in them, went racing. But it's got aftermarket wheels on it now, 15-inch, but we do have the original gold color match 13-inch alloys with BF Goodrich radials on them. But pretty cool car overall.
Yeah, it drives good.
Unique piece of Chevrolet history.
That's right.
All right, we'll get some pictures up here of it. Here's a pretty neat find, a 1975 Cosworth Vega. Twin cam motor. It's a British engine, twin cam, dual overhead cam, 120 horsepower, fuel injection. Pretty cool. Unique car, you know, back then they didn't make a whole lot of horsepower cars, so, I mean, it's only 120, but the stock ones were 78 horsepower. So it's a 4-speed, 75, only came in black with the gold trim. We have the 13-inch gold rims, which we'll take a picture of. You'll see on the site with the BF Goodriches. But these are 15-inch with some performance tires. Just makes the car drive better. Not that it's been driven, because it only has 4,343 original miles. This is the original EPA sticker. We have remnants of the other window sticker that used to be in there. You know, it just tells you how much it was, and double the price of a stock Vega back then. A lot of these were given up to racing though, and you know, they tore them up and they tracked them, but this is collector status, you know, collectability. I don't think it's original paint. I was kind of told it was, but it doesn't look like it to me. No accidents, all the panels look original, but I think somebody touched it up along the way. But the trim is in good shape, the interior is beautiful and original. It shifts good, runs good, it's got a new muffler on it. No rust or anything like that, real clean. Interior's nice, original AM, FM radio, factory tack, gauges, got a remote mirror. You can only kind of get these things one way, I think. It's got a 373 ratio differential. Just a pretty interesting car overall. Here's the power plant in the Cosworth Vega. That's what it's all about right there, the twin cam Cosworth engine. It's got factory headers on it, that's the way they came. It's got manual steering, fuel injection. A lot of the original stickers and everything are still there. There's the trim tag. Like I mentioned earlier, they were all black on black until 76, and they made a few different colors. But 75s are unique, plus in California, they're smog exempt, which is a pretty big thing for us here, because it probably would never pass a smog. Anyhow, we'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Pretty cool, little fuel injected 4-banger. 2-liter, 120 horsepower. That's the way they look from the factory. Got a little single exhaust out here. And a nice little sound. Well, if you want to come check out this classic car over here at California Cars, we're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313, and I can help you. My name's Rich, or you can speak to Gary. Thanks for watching.